We are group number 3. Our topic is AI technology for inventory management in textile industry. John McCarthy is the father of AI technology. In the present, that technology improved to some reasonable extent, and lot of industry apply that technology very successfully. Then we are talking about AI technology, application of AI technology in other countries, applying AI technology in Sri Lanka, and challenges and opportunities. As an example of AI technology, we think, have you all know about Apple Siri, Google Assistant, Tesla self-driving cars? That applications run with AI technology, and also Facebook application use AI technology very usefully. They monitor their users' informations and plan their future needs and wants. Have you all got that experience while using Facebook? They monitor you and try to fulfill your needs while achieving business targets. Actually, that is very effective way. Human brain is very powerful. When we apply that part into technology, we have built machinery that have both AI with technology. Do you know how effective it is? As an example, world famous chess player couldn't win the game that play with computer because of that application have fulfilled with the AI technology. Actually speaking, technology run with AI, amazing result is there. Artificial intelligence, AI is the best example of the effective use of leading technology in retails the various e-commerce corporations, especially their inventory management system. AI, artificial intelligence, are designed for learning, planning, and problem solving. The use of such methodologies as time series, predictions, and learning that can be applied. AI helps companies to predict customer demand, manage supplier back orders, and to optimize inventory system levels. Okay, then Prabhash will continue.
Thank you, Randika. Let's see the application in other countries and how it's suitable for Sri Lankan textile industry. The increased request for quality products has resulted in automation and AI being used by the textile industry to reduce labor and manufacturing cost and to deliver items according to our customer demands. Garment and textile manufacturing have historically been labor-intensive industry, as seen in how many of world's largest fashion, clothing and apparel brands seem to have a significant portion of their products manufactured in Asian countries such as China, India, Bangladesh, Vietnam likewise. Much of the migration in textile manufacturing to the east happened over the past couple of decades when labor costs began rising in Asian countries. With increasing penetration of industrial automation in the industry, textile manufacturing business with access to historical and real-time operational data can leverage AI to improve efficiency and augment the capabilities of their human employees. The adoption of AI applications in the textile manufacturing industry is still very early. And although there are few use cases, there doesn't appear to be widespread adoption of AI even in developed countries. Artificial intelligence is changing the fashion industry by playing a critical role in the various key divisions. From design to manufacturing, logistics, supply chain, and marketing, artificial intelligence in fashion industry is playing a huge role in transforming this industry and giving a new look to it. And as we know that textile manufacturing is the labor-intensive industry from raw material to finished good, there are tedious tasks. Here, AI can perform this task with a better accuracy at faster speed, reducing the extra cost on workers. AI enables machine and robots can easily do this task very easily. Using AI technology, supply chain management is in progress to speed up by improving tools, cutting the logistics supply and shipping cost. Also, visual perception based AI models are available, which help store owners to maintain the records of the inventory in their store and also sort items in store, helping store owners to manage their inventory with AI-backed automated solutions. Using the AI, companies automate the logistics and supply chain processes for faster delivery or find alternate and different routes for vehicles crashed by unforeseen circumstances such as bad weather or road construction. AI is also used for warehouse management and operational procurement process. Indeed, there are improvements in AI and navigation technologies which are letting automated guided vehicles move materials between buildings and different departments. Until recently, they needed particularly physical path guiding mechanisms such as wires or tracks. Furthermore, chatbots are also used in operational procurement because they help to reduce transaction cost and sales cycle time. Overall, the use of AI in supply chain management helps in reducing the click to ship cycle time and the dropout rate. Because of these applications of artificial intelligence to supply chain management are becoming widespread in the fashion industry. These applications range from the application of machine learning to trend and demand forecasting and inventory management. By utilizing AI tools for demand forecasting is enabling retailers to reduce forecasting errors by up to 50% and simultaneously reduce inventory by 20% to 50%. In textile industries, AI can be utilized for automating transport and packaging. The management of the supply chain is vital for the seamless movement between merchant and manufacturers of materials. Good management of the supply chain requires vast storage areas, improved warehouse management, product separation, and better communication. Through robots, RPA, machine training, IoT, and other technologies, AI may offer all these benefits. Nandini will continue the presentation while describing how the AI technology could apply in textile industries.
Thank you, Prabhashi. When coming to the adaptations of AI technology to Sri Lanka, that has emerged as an important component of gaining competitiveness. Here, many industries have started to restructure with new technology models and upgrading their activities. But when coming to the Sri Lankan industry, we can't apply all these technology like European countries because Sri Lankan industry's environment is entirely different. That's why Sri Lanka needs to study when using these technology in its organizations. Here, the fields of textile industries, it can use several new technologies to adapt the artificial intelligence technology for their organization. The textile industry is increasingly adopting digitalization and big data concept using AI technology application. The main focus of the value creation is an area such as inventory management, product and personal tracking, supply chain management, shipping, payment, and others. AI technology is a well-known and somewhat mature technology. Here, Sri Lankan textile industry is one of the leading suppliers. Therefore, we can use this technology to this industry. While artificial intelligence provides the victim with supply chain and inventory management, therefore, the textile industry must consider the subsequent complication. This adaptation can increase the speed of market through the applications of advanced technology would matter more for some major textile product for Sri Lanka to remain competitiveness. Through this progress and development of science and technology, we can predict the future is the development of textile industry as a broad concept. With the textile industry mindset focus on achieving the next best technology development and being speed, ethical, and subsequent best practice. By adding this model, we can move faster with AI adaptation and automation implementations if the workforce with the next set of skills by involving industry in Sri Lanka. However, this can change Sri Lankan textile industry supply chain requires a holistic approach. While using this technology, we can face some challenges and opportunities, and that part will continue by Shanika. Shanika.
Thank you, Naduni. As a final part of our presentation, I would like to talk about challenges and opportunities implementing of AI technology of our country. There is a clear need for the development of viable and applicable legislation and policies for implementing the AI technology. Policymakers are in the valuable position of being able to develop policy that actively shapes the development of AI. And as data-driven and machine learning approaches begin to take necessary roles on society, complexity of the ethical concern arising from the introducing artificial intelligence from large-scale issues such as job losses from automation, degradation of the environment, also it may affect our personal relationships. Robust ethical principles are essential in the future of this rapidly developing technology. Not all countries understand ethics in same way, so our ethical principle must be unique to our country. Setting minimum standards for corporate social responsibility reporting would encourage textile industry to clearly show how they are sharing the benefits of AI. Economic policies may be required to support workers displayed by AI. Also must include policies designed to create support structures for precarious workers. Success AI development requires substantial investment, and one challenge might be the current lack of many system integrators and AI consultants, especially focused on the textile industry. Next, I move towards the opportunities. Textile industry has various sources of inventory. They require receive and sharing they are available to promise picture in real time. As such, inventory management has become increasingly complex due to assessing information global scale. If it's no longer just a B2C world where one seller is engaged with multiple customers, instead we are seeing a B2B world amongst it the broader supply chain where multiple inventory organizations need to share or connect inventory pictures with an intuitive, seamless user experience for configuration and modification, sharing and receiving available to promise inventory with and from specific suppliers requires access control to reduce lead times and gain multi-enterprise visibility into each source of demand and supply. As external partners read data from an inventory database, they need to understand how much of their inventory is still at the retailer so they can better plan with their production. Accuracy is equally important when an organization runs a national marketing campaign. Not having enough inventory safety stock can directly impact production. A highest level, a control tower can help ensure the accuracy of and provide visibility into the performance of inventory across various channels. This helps identify any low performance or issues like delayed supply, low inventory that cause correctness can proactively adjust rather than react too late. How AI help optimize inventory management? Here we can talk under three categories. First one, planning inventory replenishment. Second one, estimated time to arrival. Third one, safety stock management. Textile industry use proactive rules to access in store and warehouse inventory. Going beyond linear ruling based sourcing to meet seasonal customer needs, it is promising to see several research and development activities being carried out at universities and other institutions. And we consider this to be leading indicator in more potential industry use cases in the years ahead. In University of Moratuwa has started for AI BSc degree program for the first time in this year. Most AI application in textile today seem to involve the use of machine vision to replace or augment human examination of textile samples, usually in order to detect errors and anomalies. If Sri Lankan organization can minimize the challenges quickly, they can use artificial intelligence for the inventory management process. This is especially true in high volume, fast moving production. Selections must be made in matter of seconds, and this can happen anywhere where high speed computing makes a difference on the part of the correct response system. Well, AI is going to play an important role. Hopefully, we could shed some light regarding the role of AI in the textile industry. This is end of our presentation. Thank you.